When we see these dramatically increasing storms, when we see this dramatically increasing droughts, when we see disruptions in entire natural systems, all of the systems that were created during Creation Week, we take those disruptions and what they do to human society, and we compare those results with what we see in Scripture, Matthew 24. And you can lay the two side by side. My book, Planet in Distress, takes a look at what's going on in the world and relates it directly to prophecy. The premise of this book is that sin affects not just humans, it affects all of creation. All of creation is under the curse of death. Not long ago, we saw this monster Category 5 typhoon, hurricane if you will, hit Fiji, the most powerful cyclone ever seen in the southern Pacific. But these records don't mean much anymore, because every year around the world we're seeing the most powerful storm ever witnessed. Take the flooding in the UK, which has been epic for the last year. Scientists are now looking at the world and saying, okay, we see ice caps melting, we see ocean levels rising. The Earth, according to these scientists, is in a dynamic state. It can easily tip from just these small influences. According to leading theories on this now, we're not only seeing more earthquakes, but we will see dramatically more earthquakes in the future as the Earth continues in its accelerating decline. What we're witnessing as a result of sin is a reversal of the organization that went on during Creation Week into the disorganization under Satan. You look at the character of God that was reflected in creation, and you look at Satan's world, and you look at the character of Satan, selfishness and malevolence, and you say, whose character does this world now represent? Are we reflecting the character of God, or are we reflecting the character of Satan in the world? We've always seen hunger someplace. We've always seen disease someplace. We've always seen conflict someplace. What we're seeing now, however, are exponential increases in all of the things Christ said would come. Tremendous and sustained trends that are nothing more than a shouted wake-up call that we need to be about our Master's business, because what we're seeing is absolutely unprecedented. It departs from norm so much, it's not just a cycle.